All right, mystery drawing time with the letter C. So let's do our capital C, and we'll just do it kind of right in the middle of our paper. Big C. Now, if your C looks a little different, that's okay. It's still gonna work. So here's my capital C. Now we're going to turn it into something. And the first thing that you're going to do is I want you on the top of this C, you're gonna draw another bigger bump and then have it come down. So go like this, bigger bump and then down. Any guesses? We'll find out. And then on the top of this first little bump, I want you to draw 2 triangles, like that. 2 little pyramids or triangles on the top of that bump. And then on the bottom of this letter C, you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna draw a little U, and then over, little U. I didn't quite connect this, and that's okay, I'll just go like that, connect them. If you have a lot of space on the other side, that's all right. I should have done it the other way. Did the U's here and then connected them. That's all right. Okay, now we have to draw right here. Any guesses what this is yet? C is for? I bet you'll find out in just a minute. Actually, let's give it away a little bit. Right over here, we're gonna draw a swervy line, and yours does not need to look like that. It can be anything you want. And you're gonna draw right along next to it to make it thicker, and then draw a curve at the end. We're making a tail to our C is for cat. Now it's time to give him a face. I like to draw a little heart nose, but you can do a triangle nose too. So we're gonna draw, here I'll just do a triangle to keep it simple right now. A triangle kind of in the middle, and then a swoop up, and then a backward swoop up. And then you can do the eyes, and we can keep them simple and just do circles, but you can do your eyes differently. And there's our chunky cat. You can give him whiskers. If you wanted to, you could even give him a collar, but I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. So there we go, C is for cat. Just wanted to show you that even if you draw your C's way different, you can still make some funny, cute cats. So it might be a nice way to actually practice drawing C's and then play around with how the way that you drew your C changes the personality of your cat. And then of course I drew a different nose here, I did a heart nose, and here I did different kinds of eyes. And this one I tried to just make it as wild as possible. Now let's do a lowercase c. That's our uppercase C. Let's do our lowercase c. Lowercase c. You're gonna go ahead and draw it right here. Now what we're gonna do for our mystery drawing is we're going to draw a line straight down. Doesn't matter how long it is, really, you can decide. And we're going to finish this C so that it is like a circle, or an oval, I should say. It's not really a circle, it's more of an oval. So we finished it off so it's more like an oval. And then we're gonna draw another line down. And you can draw these, you can connect them with a straight line, but I like to copy and paste this line. So I'm gonna just kind of be like, okay, that's kind of the curve. I'm gonna try and copy that curve down here. Any guesses what we're gonna do? C is for, oh, you know what? We already got it. C is for cylinder. This looks like a cylinder, doesn't it? But that wasn't what I was planning on doing. What we can do now is draw a little line, start in the middle of that oval and go up. And then we're going to draw this shape on top, like a teardrop. But now it's C is for candle. C is for candle.